Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lecture. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about diazines. So in this video, I will talk about introduction of diazine, synthesis of diazine, reactions and properties of diazines. So let us start with introduction of diazine. You know, my friend, the diazines are 6-member ring containing 2 nitrogen group atom. 3 isomeric diazines are theoretically possible and 3 are known. You can see here orthodiazine, metadiazine and paradiazine. Orthodiazine, commonly known as pyridazine, metadiazine, pyrimidine and paradiazine, pyrazine. You can see here the numbering scheme 1 and 2 in pyridazine, 1 and 3 pyrimidine, 1 and 4 pyrazine. So benzene containing pyridazine and quinoxylene, quinazoline. Now, properties of diazine. What is the properties of diazine? The three diazine, pyridazine, pyrimidine and pyrazine are stable, colorless compounds that are soluble in water. The 3 parents heterocycles, unlike pyridine, are expensive and not readily available and so are seldom used as a starting material for the synthesis of their derivatives. You know, my friend, on a striking aspect of the physical properties of the diazine trio is the higher boiling point of pyridazine, 207 degrees Celsius, 80 to 90 degrees Celsius higher than that of pyrimidine, 123 degrees Celsius, pyrazine 118 degrees Celsius. Or indeed other azines including 1,3,5-triazine, all of which also boil in the range 114 to 124 degrees Celsius. The high boiling point of pyridazine is attributed to the polarizability of NN unit, which result in the extensive dipolar association in the liquid. My friend, pyridazine boiling point 208 degrees Celsius is a weak base and forms the pyridazinium monocation with acid. Pyridazine undergoes electrophilic substitution with great difficulty, but conversion into the 1-oxide offers a mean of preparing various pyridazine substitution products. So you should note it down in your notebook. Nucleophilic substitution with displacement of good leaving group. You know, my friend, all the halodiazines apart from 5 halopyrimidines react readily with soft nucleophiles such as amines, thiolates, malonates, anion with substitution of the halide. Even 5-bromopyrimidine can be brought into reaction with the nucleophiles using microwave heating. All cases are more reactive than 2 halopyridines. You can see here 1, 3 and position of halogen, 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 1, 3 and Pyridazine. You know, my friend, synthesis of pyridazine from a 1,4-dicarbonyl compound and a hydrazine. A common method for the synthesis of pyridazine involves a 1,4-dicarbonyl compound react with hydrazine unless the 4-carbon components is unsaturated. A final oxidative step is needed to give an aromatic pyridazine. So, you can see the scheme of these reactions, formations of pyridazine. Now, the second method, by cycloaddition of 1,2,4,5-tetrazine with an alkyne. Cycloaddition of a 1,2,4,5-tetrazine with an alkyne or its equivalent with the elimination of nitrogen gives pyridazine. You can see here the reaction scheme. Tetrazine react with alkyne, forming this intermediate product, and after removal of nitrogen gas you will get the pyridazine. Now, pyrimidines. From a 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds and an NCN fragment. The most general pyrimidine ring synthesis involves the combination of a 1,3-dicarbonyl component with an NCN fragment such as urea and imidine or guanidine. You can see here the reactions, formation of pyrimidine. Now, second method of synthesis of pyrimidine ring from 3-ethoxyacrylolyl isocyanate and primary amine. You know, my friend, primary amines add to the isocyanate group in a 3-alkoxyacrylolyl isocyanate ring closure, then gives the pyrimidine via intramolecular displacement of the alkoxy group. You can see here the reaction scheme. Primary amine react with this product, forming the intermediate. After removing alcohol, the ring of pyrimidine isolated. From ketones, condensations of ketones with 2 mole equivalent of nitrile in the presence of trifluoromethane sulfonic acid anhydride is a useful method for the production of a limited range of pyrimidines, where the substituents add carbon 2 and carbon 4. You can see the reaction scheme. The formation of pyrimidine, and if you have the butanone, cyclobutanone, then again you will get the pyrimidine. Now, pyrazines. Pyrazine is not easily made in the laboratory. Commercially, the high temperature cyclodehydrogenation of precursors such as N-hydroxyethyl ethane 1,2-diamine is used. So, from the self-condensations of 2-amino ketone, symmetrical pyrazine results from the spontaneous self-condensations. Condensations of 2 moles equivalent of a 2-amino ketones or 2-amino aldehyde followed by an oxidations. From 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds and 1,2-diamines. 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds undergo double condensations with 1,2-diamine and oxidation is then required. You can see here. From 1,2-diketone monoenzymes, alkyl pyrazines can be produced by an ingenious sequence involved an electrocyclic ring closure of a 1-hydroxy 1,4-diazatirine. Aromatizations being complicated by loss of the oxygen from the original oxime hydroxyl groups. You can see the reaction scheme in many steps. In presence of exchange heat, you will get this new carbon-nitrogen bonds, T-butyl butoxide, DMSO 50 degrees Celsius. You will get this product, and finally you will get the pyrazine. So notable synthesis of diazines and uses. 6-diamino 5-thioformamido 2-methylpyrimidine. 4,6-diamino 5-thioformamido 2-methylpyrimidine can be converted into 2-methyladenine. You can see this reaction scheme. Now carbocyclic bromovinyl deoxyuridine. Carbocyclic bromovinyl deoxyuridine is an antiviral agent. You can see a big reaction scheme. Coelentrazine. Coelentrazine, a bioluminescent compound from a jellyfish with potential for use in bioassay, has been synthesized in an overall 25% yield from chloropyrazine. Now reactions of diazines. Typical reactions of diazine illustrated with pyrimidine. You can see reaction with alkyl lithium in presence of acid, methyl iodide, and pyrimidine N oxide formation with peroxide, and electrophilic substitution do not occur unless activated amino or oxygen substituents are present. You know, nucleophilic substitution of hydrogen alpha to nitrogen required oxidation of dihydroadduct. So a lot of paths you can see here starting from pyrimidine. Now alkylations. A diazine reacts with alkyl halide to give monoquaternary salt, though somewhat less readily than comparable pyridine. Dialkylation cannot be achieved with the simple alkyl halide. However, the more reactive trial alkyl ozonium tetrafluoroborate do convert all three systems into diquaternary salt. Oxidations, all three systems react with peracid giving N oxide, but must be taken with pyrimidine due to the relative instability of the product under the acidic conditions. Pyrazine from NN dioxide the most easily, but pyridazine requires forcing conditions, and pyrimidine, apart from some example in which further activation is present, gave poor yield. You can see the reaction scheme. Halogenations, reaction with oxidizing agent. You can see the conversions, simple conversions. So chlorination of 2-methylpyrazine occurs under such mild condition that is almost certain that an addition elimination sequence is involved rather than classical aromatic electrophilic substitution. Halogenation of pyrimidines may well also involve such process. Alkyl substituent is and fused aromatic ring can be oxidized to carboxylic acid residue, leaving the heterocyclic ring untouched. You know, my friend, an oxygen can be introduced into pyrimidine at vacant carbon 2 and carbon 4 position using various bacteria. Dimethyldoxydines convert NN dialkylated uracil into 5,6-diols, probably via 5,6 epoxide. You can see the reaction scheme. Reaction with nucleophilic reagents. The diazines are very susceptible to nucleophilic additions. Pyrimidine, for example, is decomposed when heated with aqueous alkali by a process that involves hydroxide addition. As a first step, it is converted into pyrazole by reaction with hot hydrazine. You can see the reaction scheme. Direct ring CH methylations. The three parent diazines have been lithiated adjacent to the nitrogen. For pyrimidine, add carbon 4, not carbon 2, using non-nucleophilic lithium tetramethyl piperidine. You can see the reaction scheme. Reaction with radicals. You know the nucleophilic radicals and readily to diazines under Mincy conditions. 72 addition to pyrimidine often shows the little selectivity, carbon 2 versus carbon 4. But selective Mincy reactions on 5-bromo pyrimidine provides a convenient synthesis of 4-benzoyl derivative on a large scale. Similar reactions on pyridazine shows selective for carbon 4. Even when carbon 3 is unsubstituted, pyrazine can be of course substituted in only one type of position. So you can see the reaction scheme. So time for questions. This is little bit hard topic, but if you practice, especially for reactions, and try to understand several times repeat, after that you will be easy to understand the synthesis of diazines and of course structure of diazines.